Good morning, children. Today I am going to give the revision history lesson 1 what, where, how, and when. So, children, what can we know about the past? It is the first lesson introduction part, and clearly they have given like a question and answers type also. Here, the what we know about the past, what we are going to learn about the past means about the hunters, herders, farmers, rulers, merchants. Already we have completed the 6 lessons in that one by one step how the people were started to develop hunter gatherers, rulers, and the Janapadas to Mahajanapadas how they developed we have seen. In the same way, where did people live? And also the peoples where they developed near the Narmada river valley they have developed, and hunter gatherers how they depend on the animals, and also the people the when they developed the agriculture 8,000 years ago they have developed the agriculture also. In map also you can see once again. Here you can see about 4,700 years ago, some of the earliest cities they flourished also, and even in the river bank of the rivers they have developed. Even 2,500 years ago, the cities developed. What we have learned in the previous previous lessons about the Ganga was known as the Magadha, which was Magadha means it is the become a Mahajanapada we have learned. No? So Magadha, and also that the rulers which Magadha means which was located in the Bihar. Map also once you have to see that. And also rulers and also how they develop the kingdom also we have learned. So the tributaries and also the riverside how the Janapadas and also kingdoms were developed, and which kind of food they started to eat, the merchants and all the people also how they traveled. Next, why do people travel present days also? The before days they used to travel in the mountains, and also they used to cross the rivers and all they used to do it. And also they started to give the name for the land also, like Iran and Greece, and also we can see in the Atlas also 2500 years ago. And finding about the past, how the people they started to find. Here we can see that manuscript means it is written by hand, and also the Latin word manu means hand. It was written on the palm leaves, and also that bark of a tree known as the birch they used to write that one. It is located in the Himalayas also. Manuscript were after sometimes and also it was destroyed also, and some they can't, it was spoiled also by changing from one place to another place also. So after that the people started to write inscriptions. The inscriptions means you can see that they used to write the on stone or the metal also. Kings got their orders in script, and people could see and read and obey them. So inscriptions as well where men and women including king and queen also recorded what they have done, and how many battles they done, and how many wars also they have done also. Here we can see that. And also children that the information who is giving information about the past, the person archaeologist, those who study these objects about the rulers and kings where they lived, and the animals and agriculture how they developed also. The archaeologists they study the remains of the buildings made of the stone and brick, paintings and sculptures. So archaeologist who is the person archaeologist? The person who study remains of the buildings made and stone, brick and painting. Also they also explore and also excavate, dig under the surface of the earth. They dig and that find tools, weapons, pots, pans, ornaments, how the people they used also. They can uh, explain about that. They can write bones, metals, and all the materials by digging up the surface of the earth also. The archaeologists find which are the rulers, which animals they used. By seeing of the bones also they used to give the information. And also children, the one past, the how can the past means in a plural from the attention fact of the past was different for the herders and farmers also. So here even the different form of those craft persons also, even today people followed the different practices. We can see the stitching and different design on the cloth or on the uh, pots or on the different types of the vessels also. So children, so all the to know about the past by archaeologist is giving the information also. And also that what do dates, then starting only I have explained for you about the dates also. How can we learn about the dates because we can see here the BC, we have BC means stand for before Christ, and also AD before dates. And this stands for the Latin word means Anno Domini, in the year of the Lord, means that is Christ. So children, in the sometimes present after 2012 they were writing here, sometimes CE used instead of AD, BCE used instead of BC also. And also the letters CE stands for common era and BCE for before common era also. So and sometimes letters BP meaning before present are also using to identify. Suppose if anyone will ask when is your birthday, when is your birthday means we can tell that so and so year and 2000 AD or 2000 BC also it is going to be mentioned. So children, in you have to read and you have to say Narmada Valley, Magadha, Garo Hills, Indus and its tributaries, Ganga Valley, the match the following. And here we can see that it is easy only. Read the lesson and it is easy to write the answers also. List one major difference manuscript and inscriptions. Before only I have explained for you also. And even here the ordinary men and women and make the list of the object. Archaeologist may find what they are by seeing the ornaments, pots and also bones and different kinds of the materials, monuments, manuscript. They can give the information. And ordinary men and women, because they are the people, they don't know how to keep the records, and also they are the people they don't know to read, and they are the people poor also, we can say that. So children, that the what is the easy questions. And also you can see here the beginning of the agriculture, the first cities, Indus 4700 years ago, the cities of in the Ganga Valley. This also for one mark questions purpose you have to read. And for each lesson I have given the 15 question and answers also. You can prepare for the exam that questions also. So once again read the lesson, and along with this remaining lessons also you have to read. Thank you.